Hello everyone, welcome back to Orange Workflow. Today in this video, we'll continue the MCQ series. It is part 2 of Data Science Methodology CBSE Class 12th. I hope आपने part 1 देखा होगा. If not, तो I'll give the link in the description. Right? So this is CBSE Class 12th Artificial Intelligence MCQ series. I have a set of 10 questions from the chapter Data Science Methodology. Only you have to see each and every question. You have to think, you have to pause the video, think of the answer and comment the answer. If you are unable to comment, it's okay, it's fine. Nobody is judging you, nobody is asking your marks. Simply be with your answer and you have to check your answer with me, whether it is right or wrong, right? So let's start. So first question says, which stage of data science methodology decides whether the problem calls for a descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, or prescriptive approach? Simply pause the video, just read the question once again, have a look on all 4 options and then answer it in comments. So options are business understanding, analytic approach, data requirements, and evaluation. As we have discussed in our first part that data science methodology has 10 steps, right? I hope you remember it. The very first step is business understanding, as you can see in the option A. But that says what is the problem? That explains the problem. Fine, that lies in business understanding. The second step, just immediately after the business understanding, is the analytical approach. What does it say? It says that whatever your problem is, what approach you will apply to solve that problem. And that approach will be out of these 4, that is descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, or prescriptive. Fine. So right answer will be analytic approach. Fine. Let's move to the next question. It says, in which stage does the team identify the content, format, and sources of data needed to solve the problem? Now, wherever is the question of identification, right? Again, you can just pause the video and think of the answer. Wherever the word identify comes, fine, it is obviously it is related to data. As you can see, content, format, sources of data. Now for data, you have 3-4 things like data collection, data understanding, data preparation, fine. So the correct answer will be data requirement. Data requirement means that exactly what type of data is needed, what is its content, what is its format, what will be the possible sources, that will be decided in this stage, that is data requirement. Now type in comments which stage number is data requirement. If you can type the correct answer, it means you have understood all those 10 concepts, right? Now moving towards the next question. Which stage involves gathering the identified data and may send the team back a step if gaps or missing data are found? Please read the question carefully and try to answer it. I am waiting for your answer. Please focus on this word gathering. I hope you will get the answer. Gathering means collection. And whenever the collection, already the answer is in front of you, that is data collection. Fine. So data collection means gathering, acquiring of data from different sources. Fine. As a quick review, I have placed a slide here once again so that you can revise all those 10 steps with me that data science methodology have. The very first is business understanding, then we have analytic approach, then we have data requirement, then data collection, data understanding, and data preparation. We have 4 stages for in terms with respect to data: data requirement, collection, understanding, and preparation. Let me brief you also. Data requirement means that what is required as per the understanding of the business problem, because in business understanding we'll understand what is the actual problem. In analytic approach, which analytic approach is to apply, whether it is descriptive, diagnostic, prescriptive. Fine. Then data requirement, what all data is required to solve the problem. Data collection means gathering data, acquiring data. Next comes understanding, means knowing about the data, getting insights from the data. Then preparation. Preparation means that handling missing values. Fine. If incorrect data is there, then correcting that data, right? So these all four are a bit confusing, but I hope it is clear to you all now. Then modeling, evaluation, deployment, and feedback. These all 10 stages are there, and definitely 2 to 3 questions you will get from this topic only, right? Now let's move to the next question. Descriptive statistics and visualizations like histograms are mainly used in which stage to check data quality and spot early patterns? So please focus on statistics, visualizations, words. Everyone knows histograms. Obviously, they belong to data visualization. So now tell me what will be the correct answer. Is it understanding, deployment, feedback, modeling? I hope the answer is very clear. B, C, D are not at all possible. Fine, we are talking about statistics. So answer will be related to data only. So answer will be data understanding here, right? Next question, question number 5 says, which stage of the methodology is often the most time consuming, involving cleaning, transforming, and combining the data? The four options are in front of you. Is it preparation? Is it data collection? Is it evaluation? Or is it business understanding? Options, two options, maybe you can get confused: data preparation and data collection. But as you focus on the words like cleaning, transforming, time consuming, fine, so you will get the answer. The correct answer will be data preparation, not the collection, fine. So in data preparation stage, what we do, we clean the errors, handle the missing values, we transform the formats and combine multiple sources, right? And obviously it is very time consuming. Question 6 says, in the modeling stage, what is used to build and refine the chosen algorithm before it is finalized? मॉडलिंग स्टेज में मतलब डेटा साइंस मेथोडोलॉजी में कौन सी वो स्टेज है जहां हम एल्गोरिथम का चूज करते हैं? आपने ये चीज प्रोजेक्ट साइकिल में भी पढ़ी होगी। इफ यू रिमेंबर, प्रोजेक्ट साइकिल के भी स्टेप्स होते थे, वहां पर भी ये चीज थी कि कहाँ पर आप एल्गोरिथम चूज करते हो, राइट? तो एल्गोरिथम बेसिकली आप कहाँ चूज करते हो? आप चूज करते हो ट्रेनिंग और टेस्टिंग डेटा सेट्स में। दो तरीके के हमारे डेटा सेट्स होते हैं, एक ट्रेनिंग जहां हम मॉडल को, जिस डेटा सेट से हम मॉडल को ट्रेन करते हैं, सिखाते हैं, और टेस्टिंग, जिस डेटा सेट से हम मॉडल को टेस्ट मतलब चेक करते हैं, इवैल्यूएट करते हैं, राइट? Next question says, which stage checks whether the model's quality and accuracy actually addresses the original business problem before going live? बताइए कौन सी स्टेज होती है जो मॉडल की क्वालिटी चेक करती है, एक्यूरेसी चेक करती है कि अब हाँ हम इसको लाइव कर सकते हैं, हम इसको मार्केट में सेल कर सकते हैं? वो करेक्ट आंसर ही देगा। Just pause the video, think of the answer, and then unpause it, and then check the answer. So answer will be evaluation stage, right? इवेल्युएशन स्टेज में ये सारी चीजें होती हैं जहां मॉडल की एक्यूरेसी चेक की जाती है, मॉडल की क्वालिटी चेक की जाती है उसको लाइव भेजने से पहले। नेक्स्ट, once a model passes the evaluation, now continuation to that question, in which stage it is released to users or integrated into the business process? Again, the answer is very simple. It is deployment stage, right? Deployment वो stage होती है जहां real users, end users को वो model दे दिया जाता है real life में implement करने के लिए, ठीक है? Now, second last question, question number 9 says, which of the following best describes structured data? As you know, there are 3 types of data: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. So, tell what will be the answer. See, data collected with no format like images, videos, data collected with some tags but no fixed schema like email. ये तो unstructured, semi-structured data है, right? Data collected through interviews, unstructured data. But यहाँ क्या पूछा है आपसे? Structured data पूछा है, तो answer will be option A, that is data organized neatly in rows and columns like spreadsheets or data sets. Now the last question, a company reusing census data published by the government for its own analysis is using what? Is it primary data? Is it secondary data? Is it metadata? Or is it structured only data? कंपनी अपना सेंसस का डेटा रीयूज कर रही है, सेंसस का जो गवर्नमेंट का डेटा होता है उसको रीयूज कर रही है अपने एनालिसिस के लिए, राइट? तो ऑब्वियसली डेटा पहले से बना हुआ है, जब डेटा पहले से बना हुआ है उसे हम रीयूज करते हैं तो वो कौन सा डेटा होता है? वो होता है आपका सेकेंडरी डेटा। और अगर आप कोई डेटा नया बना रहे हो, न्यूली फॉर्म कर रहे हो, तो वो आपका प्राइमरी डेटा कहलाता तो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज सेकेंडरी डेटा. So that's all from my side in this video. So I will be making part 3 also for this chapter, data science methodology. Hope आपको ये सब समझ आया हो. You can type your queries and comments. I will be making one complete video for the full explanation of this chapter. So do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.